Okay, today we got this new wireless keyboard, Logitech Performance mk850. Okay, so keyboard and the mouse all together. So here's the box. Get some features: quiet, comfortable for hours. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the inside of the box. So here's the keyboard itself. Okay, you can see it's got some soft feeling, so you have the area to rest your arm here. Okay, and it's pretty regular keyboard. Okay, or function keys or layout. So it's got a little bit shape like this. So middle is higher than other sides. Okay, so it's kind of a curved keyboard. Okay, and here's the number pad, just regular. The only difference I can see is got 1, 2, 3 key here. Okay, not quite sure the function, but we can test it later. Okay, and here's the mouse. Okay, so some paper. So here's the instructions. So take the plastic out, hold 5 seconds, hold this 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay. Oh, it including the Bluetooth connection. Oh, use the unifying. This is the, so you got both options. Okay, better than other wireless keyboards. Sometimes people lost this, right? I see a bunch of wireless mouse without this receiver, so it's kind of useless. But this one, you get the extra option. Okay, other than that, oh, there's a, what's that? So it's a extension USB cord. So probably extend the receiver, this unified receiver, extend it. So oh, it's handy. Okay, looks a nice keyboard. We can do a test later.